ora koutou anō, e te whānau koutou katoa, puta noa ki te ao nui tonu. Let's share the sounds, the oro puare, the OROKÄ, and today whānau, the OROKÄ, or the oro rua, blending two of the oro puare, the open sounds or vowels, to form a blend, two letters. And letters in Māori, as a point of interest, pū, ko te pū, a base, a foundation, te pū, hence the word kupu. Anyway, today we will be looking in our third of the three sounds, oro puare, OROKÄ, today the OROKÄ and oro rua, blends and diphthongs. Here we go, whānau. Nō reira whānau, here we go. OROKÄ, oro rua, rānei, kei ako e te tikanga, diphthongs or blends. The main thing is blend them together and let's tune up together. Remember the oro, the sounds make some noise. Don't be afraid. This is your time to practice. Blend. A, E, E, O, with me, oo. That's where the sounds will come from. Now we're going to blend two at a time. Here we go. Watching and just joining in. You will get it. Ae, ai, ao, au. Ka pai. That wasn't very sweet to start with. Let's do it again together from the top. Let's all just tune up. Ae, ai, ao, au. A, e. E, a, e, I, e, o, e, u. A, e, I. I-a, I-e, I-o, I-u. Ka pai, a, e, I, o. With me. O-a, o-e, o-i, o-u. Ka pai, last one whānau. U, ua, ua, ue, ui, uo. Ka pai whānau, there you have it. There are the diphthongs or the blends. OROKÄ, oro rua. OROKÄ, oro rua. Practice that last time through together. Let's do it. Let's have a quick one and let's tune up. Just think about it. We've got it. Let's tune and let's go together. Just breathe through it. Here we go. OROKÄ, oro rua. Ara, ae, ai, ao, au. E, e-a, e-i, e-o, e-u. I, i-a, i-e, i-o, i-u. O, o-a, o-e, o-i, o-u. A-e-i-o-u. U. Ua, ue, ui, uo. There you have it, whānau, the OROKÄ, oro rua. Tomorrow, next video, we'll put them all together and we'll come out with our kupu hau. He huinga kupu. Let's make a little vocab list, putting them all together tomorrow into our first words. Ka kite, apōpō whānau. Enjoy those. Ki hei, mauri ora!